Here's problem 2 from the 2019 AMC 8. Three identical rectangles are put together to form rectangle ABCD. As shown, the length of the shorter side of each of the small rectangles is 5 feet. What is the area, in square feet, of rectangle ABCD? The choices are 45, 75, 100, 125, and 150. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's draw the arrangement. One small rectangle stands upright on the left. On the right, two more identical rectangles are stacked, lying on their sides. Every small rectangle has a shorter side of 5 feet and a longer side we'll call L. Look at the right side. Each of the two stacked rectangles has its short side, 5 feet, pointing up, stacked together. Their heights add up to 5 plus 5, which is 10 feet. That combined height must match the height of the left rectangle. But the left rectangle's height is its longer side, L. So L equals 10 feet. Every small rectangle is 5 feet by 10 feet. Now the big rectangle. Its width is the left rectangle's 5 feet plus the right column's 10 feet, giving 15 feet. Its height is 10 feet. So the area is 15 times 10, which is 150 square feet. The answer is 150.